Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to restore PST email files into Webmail email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 Email 4 and 6 Converter software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Simple software interface is advantages of this utility. Tap on the Open button. There are multiple saving options to upload a file. Here we are selecting PST option. You can choose configured account and folder option as per need. We are selecting folder option to upload a file. Now, software analyzes and previews all files and folders. Now, enable the compact view mode, to view the important folder as per the task requirement. Now, click the listed email folder. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. Go to Export option to restore PST file into multiple saving option. Select IMAP option from the Export option list. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. To create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to send, and more. It allows users to insert emails into default mail folders. Please enter the email address and password of your Webmail account. Enter the IMAP server details of your account. Enter the server port number details of your account. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process to restore the email in new account. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your Webmail account and see the restored emails. Here you can see the mails converted into default mails folders.